Hello, everybody. Um, I'm a new YouTuber, and I'm actually kind of scared. It's my first video, and I'm sorry for I'm breathing loud, but it's not the worst day. Okay. Okay, now we're in the game. It's loading. Um, okay, so we're in the. So the murderer just won. Why did they all have to cost 1,000? Oh, I'm close to me. Toot 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 toot. Oh, we're in the game. Oh, I got instant. Oh, this is teleporter. Hello there. I would try to kill you a long time ago. Jake, chill out. What's the sound? Ooh. Why are they all scared of me? It's because my face is like this, right? Would you trust a guy that looked like this? Or not? Oh no, she's the murderer. Oh, never mind. Thought she was. I guess he's the murderer. Oh, never mind. Hey, what does this button do? Emergency lockdown. I'm probably gonna die. Oh, we're in emergency lockdown. Uh-oh. Oh, we won. Everybody's so lucky. You got better stuff than me. I don't care. I make free stuff look good. My beautiful wings. So, oh, finally we're starting. Oh my god, Sheriff. Hopefully I don't die. Oh, that's cool. It's like mini teleporters. Oh, there are many teleporters. How is she going so fast? I have a hunch. Well, can I get up there? Oh, I can. Oh my god. Hmm. Girlfriend. I found that you closer to me. I think it's one of them. I almost shot her. I'm scared. I feel like the murder is in here now. Oh, I don't care. Time's up. Loser. I knew it was someone on there. Well, anyways, thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully you like. Probably won't. Or subscribe. Probably won't. Because, yeah. But please do if you enjoyed.